Hi guys, Edith here from Collection Inédith, and today's project is a block of the month for March 2019 titled House Number 2 from the series Amsterdam on the Canal. The size of the house number 2 on its own is 8-inch wide by 26.5-inch high. The instructions and templates to make the appliqué with the free Motion Quilting Design are included in the pattern, and you will find the link to get to the PDF document under this tutorial, and make sure to save it on your computer. I invite you to join my email list and to receive my newsletter. Just go to my website's homepage. Every month I will let you have a peek at my new project and the ones in progress. And don't hesitate to subscribe to my free YouTube channel and click on the bell to be notified when a new tutorial becomes available. To assemble the top of a quilt or to quilt, I use either my soprano or my tiara from Baby Lock. To do the free motion quilting, I use the Super Bee embroidered threads, 40 weights from monfil.ca, and I like to use the fabrics from Northcott Fabric for all my projects. As for the appliques, I like to use the light Seam 2 and the warm white 80/20 for batting by the Warm Company. To make the applique with the free motion quilting design, you will need a light box or a table with a glass top under which you can place a lamp. You will also need a mechanical chalk pencil and some light Seam 2. If you've never worked with the Seam product, check out my tutorial on the subject, and I've posted the link below. The final project is a very large wall quilt, and you can follow its progress within the next few months. For more details on how I plan to do this project, I will refer you back to the house number 1 tutorial. You will find the link below. I want to remind you also that the design Amsterdam on the Canal will evolve as we go along, and new ideas might come up, and I can add or change a few things on the houses that have yet to be completed and on how the landscape might look. Here's my fabric selection for house number 2. This is a fabric from Northcott, and this image is also included in the pattern. As for my thread selection, it will be given with my instructions later on when I start quilting this project. That's it for today. I hope you liked this project and that you will join me for the next block of the month for house number 3. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.